Lunges are a powerful exercise, allowing you to shape and strengthen almost every muscle in the lower body: the hips, glutes, quads, and calves. It helps strengthen your lower body, increase core strength, muscle tissue, and help you get the perfect buttocks you always hoped for. The best part about lunges is that it does not require any equipment, is incredibly safe and easy to learn. In this video, we will learn about 5 types of lunges and some great benefits you can get from it. One, stationary lunges. This type of lunges targets your lower body like thighs, glutes, and hamstrings. It includes a downward movement that involves an eccentric contraction of the hams, quads, and glutes. In stationary lunges, you can put your weight on your front leg and use your back leg to balance, stabilize, and support your entire body. 2. Side lunges. Side lunges target your inner and outer thighs, quadriceps, hips, and legs. It provides you stability, balance, and strength. Side lunges train your body to move side to side, which is a nice change from your body's regular movements. 3. Walking lunges. The walking variation targets your core, hips, and glutes and improves overall stability. In this type, the downward movement remains the same, with the same pressure are put on all the leg and thigh muscles. 4. Reverse lunges. Reverse lunges activate your core, glutes, and hamstrings. It is ideal for people who have knee concerns, difficulty balancing, or less hip mobility. 5. Twist lunges. Twist lunges target your ankle and feet muscles. You can add a twist to stationary, walking, or reverse lunges to activate your core and glutes more deeply. Benefits of lunges. 1. Improve balance and coordination of the body. Lunges improve the balance and coordination of our body drastically. They are lower body unilateral exercises since you work on each side of your body independently. This workout engages your core and abdominal muscles. A strong core allows you to deal with lower back pain and improves your balance and posture. 2. Weight loss. Lunges are one of the best exercises for weight loss. The large muscle groups in your lower body will target by lunges, which build lean muscle and reduces body fat. It also increases your resting metabolism, which allows you to burn more calories and trim excess weight. 3. Boost flexibility. Flexor muscles from the lower part of our body ignored while doing exercise. Walking lunges boost the flexibility of the hip flexor muscles, which tend to become tight due to the sedentary lifestyle we lead. 4. Provide muscular symmetry. Correcting muscular asymmetry is one of the best benefits of lunges. There are chances of muscular asymmetries that go unnoticed or unaddressed due to the amounts of bilateral. Hence, performing lunges and other unilateral exercises can increase muscular hypertrophy and strength in a weaker leg. 5. Better spinal health. Lunges provide strength and stability to the spine. While working on other parts of your body, lunges take a load off your spine to make it flexible and pain-free. 6. Minimizes risk of injury. Lunges do not prevent injury, but they strengthen the muscles that improve your ability to stabilize under a heavy load.